Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning at 8:40 on today, the 18th of July, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1366, and I am pissed. I can't believe. I know that we had discussion about it last week in our Discord room about Nancy Pelosi and her husband's stock buying. Um, but as it turns out, it wasn't stock. It was actually options. Um, 200,000 shares of NVIDIA bought as options. You know, these people are such incredible liars and thieves. Jay Clayton was just on CNBC talking about the solution, and it shouldn't be that they can't trade stocks, and every time something comes up to regulate it, they vote it down. Of course, they vote it down. They have complete control over this. First of all, I think they shouldn't be allowed to trade options, period. Those are too short term. That does not resemble any kind of investment thesis. What it is rank speculation. In the case of NVIDIA, the Congress is looking at a multi-billion-dollar chip help pact or investment. This has just gotten completely out of hand, and it is really bullshit. And frankly, I still go with term limits. Two two successes. Two successes in terms, and that should be it. This is just unforgivable. Nancy Pelosi has $150 million net worth. Does she need the opportunity to speculate on NVIDIA when she knows when they're going to pass this new semiconductor aid? Disgraceful. Google 20-for-1 split today. The stock is up a bit. It's not setting the world on fire, but hey, up 19 on a 20-for-1 is up $40. Okay, Goldman Sachs reported a beat, top and bottom. The stock is currently trading 306 and a quarter, and that's up about 12 and a half or 4.2%. Delta ordering 100 Boeing 737-100 jets. Boeing 153.48. That's up 574 on top of the 10 it was up last week. That's really beginning to look a lot better, as well as the fact that when the 787 starts to make deliveries, there will undoubtedly be more orders there too. Bank of America beat on revenue, missed on earnings. Stock is really not doing very much. It's 32 down about a quarter, less than 1%. At 7:30 when I came down, we were up 340 in the DAL, 150 in the NAS, and 40 in the S&P. We then started to sell off, and about 10 or 12 minutes ago, we were up 250 in the Dow, up 111 in the NASDAQ, and up only 28. These are, I don't mean to say only, because these are still pretty nice gains after what we saw on Friday. So, I don't make light of it. Right now, Dow is up 265, Nasdaq is up 125, and the S&P is back to up about 31. All right, everyone, have a good morning. I'm seriously looking at the TLT, the Treasury yield. I think that bonds are going to have a bit of a rally, and right now the TLT is actually down $1. And as far as I'm concerned, that's plays right into what I'm looking for. Chart on the screen is the oil. We came right back down to this $91 area, turned and closed at the high of the day, followed through on Friday, followed through today. Also, Bitcoin and Ethereum catching a fairly substantial bid. This morning, Bitcoin was actually down while Ethereum was up. Now it's caught up. Bitcoin futures are up 885, and that's about a 4.18 um, percentage gain. You can see it's tried to make a bottom, made a little bottom, rallied, came back to a slightly higher low. Now, if we can close above, I would be keying off this number, 23,110, still a ways off, but it looks pretty decent. So these are up 4.18%. Excuse me. Ethereum is trading substantially better. Remember that Ethereum is what I favor. Look at this. This has come out of, this is the equivalent of where we are today in the Bitcoin. We're running a day ahead here in Ethereum, and it's up 16%. So up 4% is nice in Bitcoin. Up 16% in Ethereum is pretty substantial. The dollar is down. Gold is up slightly, 690 after being down 38 last week, so I'm not overwhelmed with that. Nat gas is also recovering here nicely again. Have a good morning. I'll be back later.